Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the flute. First, let's cover the essentials. Proper posture is crucial for breath support and comfort, so sit or stand tall. You'll also need to know your flute's parts and how to assemble it gently. Developing a good embouchure, the way you shape your lips, is key for producing a clear tone. We'll also start with simple breathing exercises to build strong breath control. Now, let's make some music. Hold the flute horizontally, placing the lip plate against your chin. Your lower lip should cover about 1/4 of the embouchure hole. Gently blow a steady, focused stream of air across the hole, as if blowing across a bottle. Experiment with the angle of your air to find that sweet spot for a clear, resonant sound. Practice holding these long tones for several seconds. With a sound established, it's time for notes. Get to know the flute's keys and how they open and close holes. We'll start with the fingerings for your first few notes, perhaps B, A, and G. Practice these slowly, ensuring each note sounds clear and steady. Playing simple scales, like a B-flat major scale, will help build muscle memory. Always use a tuner to check your pitch accuracy. Consistent practice is your key to progress. Aim for at least 30 minutes daily, focusing on quality over quantity. When tackling new pieces, break them into smaller, manageable sections to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Recording yourself playing can be incredibly helpful for identifying areas needing improvement. Finally, consider seeking guidance from a qualified flute instructor. Their personalized feedback can accelerate your learning journey significantly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.